All right, so Christmas is around the corner. Why we keep saying around the corner? Why we don't just say it down the road? Which corner are we talking about when we say it around the corner? But tables across the world will be filled with ham in no time. But what are you going to do when the day is over and you have a whole heap of ham left over? Mark Chung is a big-time chef, and he's here. Remember, I eat a piece of chicken and smile the other morning. So a working piece of pork this morning. So I cannot leave from in front of the TV to this. It's pork. Mark, what going?
I'm here.
Good to see you. As a younger man, I still do. I used to call it old food, leftovers. I say I do not want old food, but it's leftovers we're talking about.
Well,
right? That's what we're talking about here?
Pretty much. I mean, usually people buy a ham after Christmas Day. It's not all consumed because they have so many other meats that they have with the ham.
Right.
So you have some left. So we paid a lot of money for it, so what we're going to do the rest of it. So what we can do salad, we can do a wrap. We can include a wrap. We have salads. What I'm going to do on set now, we're going to do some grilled cheese sandwiches, and we can do quesadillas.
All right, so before you do that, so how long is leftovers? Leftovers is the next day, the next week, is the next month. How long is leftovers?
I tell you something, you know, you have some people who buy ham and then they have none left over for Christmas Day.
And they've done it before that. But seriously.
But usually a couple of days after, maybe go up to New Year's Day.
So if I buy, say, so if I cook it, say Christmas Day, it's still good. So what I do, I just put it in the
You just keep it in the refrigerator.
Keep it in the fridge.
Right,
then if it's in the fridge, it can't last longer than that.
I mean, it keeps. I mean, it's not about it not lasting long. It's about how long it lasts because people keep eating it.
Oh,
so,
well, that's different.
Right.
But if they don't eat it, how long it would last?
I have not. I wouldn't know that because it don't last so long.
Okay.
Because they eat it off.
And it is the same like any meat? It lasts longer, it's done quicker?
Well, it's cured, you know. Essentially, it's cured. So it tends to last a little longer.
Oh, okay. You know, cut the piece and give me?
Well, you can we'll do some sandwiches.
Tease me at tease, you know, you.
No
so what you say, do you know?
No, you say you're going to eat it.
So you what, man, you mad?
All right, so we're doing...
The boss is here now, so if the boss tell me, say me have to eat it, me have to eat it because she's the boss.
So we're going to do...
and the boss say, I must eat it, so.
So we're going to do grilled cheese. So we start with the bread.
Grilled cheese with ham?
With ham, of course.
So why you can't just grilled cheese alone? Want to the money, man?
Well, the show is about ham. So...
Empress, please leave me interview. Leave me interview. I see it plenty pork and say like she's a rat. Question. Ham is ham. I just go in a supermarket and just buy a ham or I look at it and do all kind of things.
A lot of people who make hams will say that they have the best hams. I don't get into that. I just think I don't get into all of that.
So ham is just ham, as far as you're concerned?
Not necessarily, but I will comment on...
Mark, you confuse me though, you know.
Yeah. How I confuse you?
Wait, I'm almost ready.
Yeah, it's very quick. It's very, very, very quick meals. Quesadilla is a good snack for kids.
Quesadilla.
It's actually a Mexican dish.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have a cheese, you have a little sweet peppers.
I want to clear my name, Jamaica. I do not yam pork.
Of course.
We all know that Christmas is all about the ham. So we need somebody to come and taste because you know, say I'm a boss, Mark, and I know you're a great chef. I do eat some of your food and I can't eat this. So I'm going to invite somebody in this studio and somebody needs to come and taste it to let the viewers, where you going, Neville? To let the viewers know how good you are, all right? So you're grilling it in the pot.
Right.
No oil in the pot?
No oil. There's the butter on the bread to keep it.
Come. Just taste it, because you tasted chicken the other day. Cappy, come in. Cappy, come here. Cappy, when I speak, you must listen to me. I am talking to you to taste the
don't
man
name
grill.
Cappy.
Him same name, Cappy. I'm pet name. So, continue your interview. I'm going to find somebody to come and taste it. I'll be right back, my people. Show me, talk to me.
And we have a chat to the boss. Maybe we can just get rid of you for good. And you work
so-
about 10 minutes a week. So that's quite easy.
Right, pretty much. As you see, it was like
Yeah.
less than 5 minutes. So that's there for the tasting.
Boss lady want. Boss lady says she will do it afterwards. Everybody, you know, it's all the studio quiet now, just because the boss is here, you know, 'cause when Senator be nice going in the studio, everybody running in and out, but the boss is here, so we all got to be on our best behavior.
So never,
That's the
this is
quesadilla.
right, this is the quesadilla. We'll be finished in no time as usual.
Yeah.
All right, so we have hams on sale as usual every year, but now you can actually order online.
Order online.
All right.
So this set, type of ham, spiral cut hams and leftovers from consumer cooked hams, 3 to 5 days. And them say freeze 1 to 2 months.
Right.
And next June you have country ham uncooked 2 to 3 months if you refrigerate it.
Right.
Country ham cooked 7 days. Well, there you go. So it depends on the
Right.
kind of.
The country ham is usually more salty, that's why.
Oh,
It's a stronger cure
what do you mean by country ham as opposed to town ham?
as opposed to town ham.
Seriously?
Seriously.
I joke with you, What do you mean?
Yeah, so it's a total different kind of cure, so it's more salt.
So country ham,
So that's why I
the
remember-
pig come from country?
No. so back in the day, people used to actually boil the ham, and that's to get the salt out of it, the heavy salt out of
Okay.
it. But nowadays, it's all done differently.
Okay. Mark is an expert.
Yeah.
Thanks, my brother. Good to see you once again. That ready now?
Yes, sir.
This is the man of my boy that don't know eat it. Them can't wait for the interview. He eat half the whole of that. So you supply hams.
Yes, we do.
And
Meaning, we bake them. We get them from a local supplier. We bake them, so when you buy from us, you get a fully cooked ham. All the
us would be who?
consumers. I mean, my company, Mark Chung Custom Catering.
Mark Chung.
Custom Catering.
Look like you know what we know in a
Mark, because we do
Chung
custom catering.
So if I want a ham, I just find Mark Chung. Right
Custom catering.
MarkChungCustomCatering.com.
there. Picnic ham.
We have a ham
leg
order.
ham.
We have a ham order form on the line, so you can do everything online.
Mark,
She really wants
we don't
to.
eat pork, so we want you as the chef to taste it and tell us how it tastes, please.
And of course, it's gonna taste good.
That no most taste good if I
No,
say-
I would like to see your reaction and see how your taste buds react. Let me
No,
see.
I want to know why you're in the interview in the first place.
What? Why?
Chef Mark Chung, and you can get him.
Because he's my friend.
Yeah. By the way, speaking of country ham and town ham, we go to town planning. After this. That's a nice
Wait, take a
segment.
bite. Let us know what it is.
You think he must say, boy, that is awful?
No, he's an honest man.
No, man, that looks